Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ubuchule Bezandla. My name is Fiki Swabam from Johannesburg, South Africa. Thank you so much to my new subscribers this week and thank you for liking my videos. I really appreciate it. Today I come with a problem. As you can see on the video, this week I've been given a task to attach beads on this bra. My client chose these colors: black, dark red, and light red, right? So as I was putting these beads on it, I noticed that the cup shape of the right side is not the same as the one on the left, and I really struggled to put beads on the right side. So for me, it makes me so uncomfortable to send something like this to my client. On the left side, it looks good. I think it looks good, but the right side, I'm not sure about it, and it makes me feel so uncomfortable. But surprisingly, I did speak to my client and I sent her photos and she liked it. She said it's looking good and she doesn't have a problem with it. She's going to put it on tomorrow. She's going to an event and she has to put this on. But me, being a beader, noticing the legal things, the legal mistake that I make when I bead, I really feel so uncomfortable. So guys, please let me know on the comment section how you think about this bra. As you can see it, does it look all right? Because now I'm not sure if I should undo the right side. I'm really not sure if I should undo it and put beads again. But at the same time, I also think that the problem is with the bra itself. So I am really, like, I'm worried. I'm worried. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Thank you for now. Thank you for listening and watching this video. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.